What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to make a wallpaper for a separate monitor. So as you can see on my second monitor right here, I have the same wallpaper. It's actually a really simple task. So what I usually do is I do the two wallpapers I want. I drag them to my desktop or a folder. I usually set one as my wallpaper, then the other. Now what I do is I go to personalize. You're going to go to this background spot. If you know how to get to it, do it that way. Right click, do set for monitor 1. Right click, do set for monitor 2. It's actually a very simple task. That's why I'm doing a short video. But if I actually switch to my other monitor, you can see that this is my second monitor as well. So it's actually really simple. I just want to show you guys that real quick. You guys can choose whatever wallpaper you want. It doesn't matter what size it is as long as it's not like super small, because then it's going to look like crap. That is how you make a separate wallpapers just for your computer in general. This does work for Windows 10. I think it might be different for Windows 7, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy, drop a dislike. Very short video, sorry about that, but I don't know, it's a tip or trick or whatever you want to call it. So see you guys next video, and peace out.